Bitcoin has touched a new high, trading above $35,000 for the first time on Wednesday. That's an 800% rise since mid-March.
Bitcoin hit a new record high above $35,000 on Wednesday. It's the latest milestone for the cryptocurrency as it continues its scintillating rally. Investors see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. They see government stimulus packages as eroding the value of traditional money. And because the supply of Bitcoin is limited, they think that it can help store value, store money for them. At the same time, others see Bitcoin as a tool for quick gains. It's very volatile and the price moves up very quickly, so people think that they can make money from this. And then lastly, at the same time, others see Bitcoin as one day catching on as a real payment method.
So, is it still a good time to invest in Bitcoin, or have we missed the boat? What are investors saying?
So some big investors are now really starting to put out research notes about the theoretical value of Bitcoin. And a notable one this week has been JP Morgan, who said that Bitcoin could theoretically surpass $146,000. There's a big caveat in this. Investment banks often say that this can only happen if the volatility of Bitcoin falls, and that's still very much unknown. It's very unclear whether that will happen. So in December 2017, Bitcoin was pushed to a record high by a retail investor-fueled buying frenzy. The price went up very quickly, and a month later it crashed very sharply. Some people say that there is a risk of this again, but at the same time, the Bitcoin market and market infrastructure has changed quite dramatically since then. It's matured, it's become safer, there's generally fewer risks of the kind of cyber heist, hacks, and really large volatility swings that have been characteristic of Bitcoin through its 12-year life. Yet at the same time, others say that one day the price of Bitcoin could slump again. There are still lots of unknown factors surrounding this. Some people point towards the risk of tighter regulation by governments, by central banks, as something which could force Bitcoin prices down again.